Whoa, now this has got to be the longest long to short hair transformation I've ever seen. Her hair is almost to her ankles. So stylist cuts off that braid. Not only is her hair long, but it is like super thick as well. And this is the final result. A classic bob haircut. Definitely a drastic makeover. So here we have someone, she has some pretty long hair as well. Looks like she's cutting off the color pretty much that she has going there towards the ends. So she braids the hair and places it in two ponytails. And then does like a shoulder length cut here. She's like in shock, like, did I really just cut off all my hair? So then she proceeds to the other side. And then here we have someone with some pretty long hair as well. The hair is braided and then cut. And she also gets a chic bob. So cute. So here we have someone with the shoulder length hair who decided to spice things up with a pixie. Love it. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. So she's at the salon getting her hair chopped down. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow. She looks breathtaking. I love this. The color, cut, everything. So pretty. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. For a lot of people that ask, and I know that they will, yes, a lot of these women are donating their hair. So here we have a nice little layered haircut style. It looks like she's going to be getting a bob with bangs. Oh, wow, very cute. I love how thick her hair is. Like, her hair looks so thick and pretty, it almost looks like a wig. Like, it's like perfection. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. Wow. Stylist measures the hair. The stylist does a nice natural wavy bob. So here we have someone, her hair is just past her shoulders here, so not too long. And it looks like she's also getting a bob makeover. Now we're seeing a lot of layered bobs. We're seeing wolf cut bobs. And I think that's going to be one of my next videos, just kind of showcasing some of the different bob variations that we're seeing with the layers, because they are really popular right now. So here we have another dramatic big chop transformation. She's got some long waist length hair. The stylist chops it off. She is going super short for this one. Oh, she might be doing a complete buzz cut here. Oh, wow. I bet she feels so free. All that hair gone. What a makeover. So next up we have someone with long waist length hair, and the hair is cut. Followed by someone who wants to get a beautiful bob. Now this is like a chic little like cute everyday bob style, I would say. Gorgeous. It's just so effortless and chic. So here we have another dramatic transformation. Going super short for this one as well. She ends up getting like a faded pixie cut style with a design. Oh, I love this. She looks so beautiful. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all. Oh, here's one last one. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.